Sending money to the Philippines shouldn't be a headache, so let's ditch the complicated stuff and get your hard-earned cash moving smoothly to your loved ones. First, log into your Wise account either on their website or through their app. Then, spot and click that big, friendly send money button. Can't miss it. Now, tell Wise how much you want to send. Type in the amount you want to send in your currency or how much you want your recipient to receive in Philippine pesos, PHP. Wise will automatically show you the exchange rate, so there are no surprises. Next up, tell Wise who you're sending money to. Choose someone else and fill in their details. This includes their full name and, most importantly, their bank account details in the Philippines. Double check this is correct because incorrect details can cause delays. Before you hit send, carefully review everything. Make sure the amount, recipient details, and fees are all accurate. Then, when you're happy, click that Confirm and Pay button. Choose your payment method. Wise offers various options like debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. Select your preferred method and follow the instructions to complete the payment. And that's it. Your money is on its way. Wise will keep you updated on the transfer status and estimated arrival time. You and your recipient can track the transfer every step of the way. Now, wasn't that easy?